of it in old New York.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. So I'm here at the shop. We're going to install the Mishimoto AIR Intake 1.5 liter for the Honda Civic Hatchback 2017. In a few minutes I'll show you guys the air intake. I'll do like a little unboxing in the back. This is my the shop I'm at. It's actually my dad's. Yeah, you guys are probably seeing me here more often. I usually come wash my car, and if I plan to do more things in the car, then you guys will see me here. Alright, I'll catch you in the next clip. What's up, guys? We're back. So Mishimoto includes this booklet, the Mishimoto Guide to Performance Cooling. They also give you like a free car scent. There we go. Here's the tube, the silicone tube. In blue. I wanted red, but whatever. I went out with the blue. Here's the gasket, the seal. Let's see what else we got. You also here have the what is it? This is the intake pipe. It's where the sensor, map sensor goes in. Alright, guys, don't hold me if I say anything wrong, because I don't know all my parts yet. This is the filter. It's kind of big. Can put it on my hand. It's really big. It's made in the U.S. Gotta love America. And over here we have the air box. It's still sealed because they haven't installed. The only complaint I have is I feel like this box, it's really heavy. Like really heavy. It's a good few I don't know, maybe even 5 pounds, 5 to 8 pounds. Yeah, so that's all, guys. Hopefully, you guys taking too long. Hopefully I can get it installed today, and I'll keep you guys updated. All right. Alright, guys, so right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a roll with the windows down and one with the windows up so you guys can hear the air intake. It's actually a different day. I couldn't do it the same day that I installed it. I had to go to work. But yeah, we're back. Let's see how this sounds, and I'll catch you guys on the next clip. Alright guys, so I have the GoPro mounted already. I have it actually right here. Let's see if it lights up. There we go. Alright, and then this is how it sounds from the inside, just the rev. Put the windows down. That's how it sounds with the windows up. Down. Alright guys, so I'm gonna find a location where I could do like a pool for you guys. It's not the best area. And then, you know, I gotta cross over to Mexico. So I'll catch you guys back, okay? Put the windows down. That's how it sounds. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do like a 0 to 60 pull for you guys real quick. The windows down. Holy crap. What's up guys, I'm back home now. Those are a few clips of the air intake. If you guys want to see more videos like this, just give this video a thumbs up and drop any questions you guys have down below in the comment section. Share my channel guys, tell your friends. You already know, it's your boy AP. I'll catch you guys in the next video, okay?